From Neural Newscast, I'm Victor Hale.
And I'm Adriana Costa.
Today is Sunday, February 22nd, 2026. Millions of residents along the Atlantic coast face a historic blizzard warning. New York City expects up to 20 inches of snow by Monday. Meanwhile, Team USA celebrates a record-breaking performance at the Winter Olympics.
We will also examine a critical court ruling in California that challenges federal policy. And we look at the ticking clock on a major military decision regarding Iran.
Turning now to the Northeast, a powerful winter storm is bringing blizzard conditions to the Atlantic coast. The National Weather Service issued warnings for New Jersey, Long Island, and Connecticut.
New York City Mayor Zohran Mamdani says the city could see 20 inches of snow. This is the first blizzard warning for the 5 boroughs since 2017.
Governors in New York and New Jersey have already declared states of emergency. Experts expect heavy snow to fall at rates of 2 inches per hour during the peak of the storm.
Travel will be extremely hazardous during the Monday morning commute. More than 2,500 flights have already been canceled at regional airports like JFK and Newark.
While the Northeast braces for the cold, Team USA is finding success in the snow of Milan Cortina. The Americans set a new record Saturday for the most gold medals won in a single Winter Games.
The Americans set a new record Saturday for the most gold medals won in a single Winter Games. Curran and Lillis secured the 11th gold for the U.S. in the mixed team aerials. This performance surpasses the previous record of 10 golds set back in 2002.
The weekend could bring even more hardware for the American delegation. The men's hockey team faces Canada today to play for another gold medal.
In other news, President Trump says he will decide on a military strike against Iran within the next 15 days. He has not made a final call, but notes his preference is for a deal.
The U.S. military has moved aircraft carriers and warplanes into position across the Middle East. Trump is demanding that Iran completely abandon its nuclear program as part of any negotiation.
Iranian officials say they are open to talks, but refuse to negotiate on issues outside of their nuclear program. They have also warned of potential responses that could target American interests far beyond the region.
Still, the administration is facing legal pushback at home regarding healthcare policy. A California judge just ordered a San Diego hospital to continue transgender treatments for minors, despite federal pressure.
Judge Matthew Braner extended a restraining order for 15 days for Rady Children's Hospital. This blocks the president's executive order that threatens to pull federal funding from such facilities.
The ruling highlights a growing legal divide between states. While California courts intervene, a hospital in New York City recently ended its youth gender program under administration pressure.
Next, we remember a pioneer who defined the sound of the Bronx and Puerto Rico. Salsa legend Willie Colon has died at the age of 75.
His family says the trombonist and orchestra leader passed away peacefully on Saturday morning. Colon's career spanned nearly 60 years and included 15 gold records and a Lifetime Achievement Grammy.
He was more than a musician. He was a social activist who explored the Puerto Rican identity in the U.S. His manager, Pietro Carlos, called him an architect of the New York sound.
Turning to sports and social change in India. Young women are using football to resist forced marriages. In Rajasthan, the game is providing girls with the confidence to say no to proposals. Nisha Vaishnav, who now plays for the state team, famously refused to proposal when she was just 14. For these athletes, the pitch is a space for autonomy, where child marriage remains common. I'm Victor Hale. Thank you for listening.
And I'm Adriana Costa. Neural Newscast is AI-assisted, human-reviewed. View our AI transparency policy at neuralnewscast.com.
Neural Newscast uses artificial intelligence in content creation, with human editorial review prior to publication. While we strive for factual, unbiased reporting, AI-assisted content may occasionally contain errors. Verify critical information with trusted sources. Learn more at neuralnewscast.com.